What's the meaning of Blu-ray disc? Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc.
Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a type of optical disc used for storing high-definition video, as well as games and other data. The name Blu-ray comes from the blue laser that is used to read and write data on the disc. This laser has a shorter wavelength than the red lasers used in DVDs and CDs, allowing it to store much more data in the same amount of space. A single-layer Blu-ray disc can hold up to 25 gigabytes of data, while a dual-layer disc can hold up to 50 gigabytes. This increased storage capacity allows for high-quality video and audio, making Blu-ray discs a popular choice for home entertainment.